the Speaker of the National Assembly cannot seclude himself and offer himself as a spokesperson of Mount Kenya community, because that runs counter his national office as the National Assembly Speaker. And therefore, I think there is a major contradiction that can be used by people who are against or may be against the Speaker all along. I think the Speaker of the National Assembly is misguided. This is a political strategy that can backfire against the Speaker, the person of the Speaker, very badly. I would want to advise him to reflect back on that particular position. He cannot have both. The Speaker of the National Assembly should elect whether he wants to be our Speaker of the National Assembly or whether J.B. Muturi wants to be the Mount Kenya spokesperson of whatever arrangement he's thinking about. And then if he becomes the spokesperson, the process of making him a spokesperson is in doubt and questioned, has been questioned even by the elders, by leadership, stakeholders in Murang'a, starting with our governor, Wairia. I support the fact that there was no consultation of that ceremony coming to Murang'a and being done in Murang'a. And therefore, I think the whole thing is a shenanigan, just the way there is or appears to be total mismanagement of succession. And I hope our President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta is not behind the coronation of the Speaker. For me, I think the Speaker should actually resign from being the Speaker. I'm not in support of coronation. We are told women should not talk. I don't stand in Kandara as a woman. I stand in Kandara as an elected representative of the people. So my voice matters. The voice of Kandara people matters. We don't need coronation. That is an idea that is archaic in my view, and that the Speaker of the National Assembly, and I am saying this without any avoidance of doubt,